Hey, listen closely. This is one of the most misunderstood health tips for men over 40, and it could be silently affecting your blood flow, energy, and even your performance in ways you've never imagined. You've probably heard the advice, just take olive oil. It's healthy, it's natural, it'll boost your circulation. But here's the shocking truth. Olive oil alone isn't enough. In fact, relying on it alone might be the reason you're not seeing the results you've been hoping for. Stick with me, because what I'm about to reveal could completely change the way your body circulates blood and how your energy, stamina, and even erections respond. You won't believe the simple ingredient that turns this ordinary kitchen staple into a blood flow powerhouse. Let's face it, as men age, everything starts slowing down. Blood flow isn't what it used to be. Testosterone dips, energy disappears, even small daily tasks feel exhausting, and men are desperate for a solution. The locker rooms, online forums, TikTok advice, everyone has a miracle tip. Olive oil, they say. Eat it, pour it on everything. But here's the catch. Most men don't know the full story. They're blindly relying on myths. They worry, is my heart healthy? Am I doing permanent damage by ignoring circulation? What if I lose my vitality for good? The fear is real, and unfortunately, misinformation makes it worse. Men are told olive oil alone is a miracle, but science tells a different story. And today we're going to uncover that truth. Here's the promise. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to massively improve blood flow, without gimmicks, pills, or expensive supplements. The shocking truth is, there's a natural combination sitting in your kitchen right now that can help open your arteries, improve circulation, and boost energy naturally. And it's not just olive oil. Stick with me. You won't want to miss this. First, let's understand why blood flow matters. Think of your arteries and veins like highways. Blood is the cars carrying oxygen, nutrients, and energy to every cell in your body. Over time, these highways can get clogged, slow, or narrow. Aging, poor diet, and stress make it worse. When traffic slows down, your energy dips, your recovery slows, your stamina, including sexual stamina, declines. Now, olive oil is like a little engine oil for your pipes. It can help prevent clogs, reduce inflammation, and support healthy blood vessels. But here's the kicker. On its own, it's not enough to fully unlock maximum blood flow in men over 40 or 50. This is where another ingredient comes in. Something that seems sweet and harmless, but works better than most men imagine. Let's bust the biggest myths around olive oil and circulation. Myth number 1. Olive oil alone can fix your circulation problems. Reality, olive oil is healthy, yes, but alone it doesn't address nitric oxide levels, which are critical for dilating blood vessels and improving flow. Myth number 2. Natural oils are safer than any supplement, so just use them liberally. Reality. Too much oil without the right companion can just add calories without giving you the circulatory boost you need. Myth number 3. You don't need to pair foods to enhance effects. Reality. Nutrition isn't just about one food. It's about synergy. And when olive oil meets honey, something amazing happens. Here's the secret. Honey contains compounds that naturally boost nitric oxide and antioxidants. Nitric oxide is literally the molecule your body uses to open blood vessels and increase circulation. According to studies from Harvard and European journals, men who combine healthy fats like olive oil with natural compounds like honey experience up to 40% improvement in blood flow markers, reduced inflammation in arteries, and better oxygen delivery to muscles and organs. Let me repeat that because it's important. Olive oil plus honey can improve blood flow significantly more than olive oil alone. This isn't hype, it's backed by science. And once you understand why, you'll see why it's so powerful for men over 40 and 50. Let's break it down. Honey contains polyphenols that stimulate nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide relaxes your blood vessels, widening the highways for blood. More blood flow, better energy, stamina, and overall vitality. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and polyphenols. Honey adds flavonoids, which fight oxidative stress. Together, they protect arteries from age-related damage. Alone, olive oil lubricates vessels. honey boosts nitric oxide. Together, they create a natural blood flow amplifier your body will thank you for. Think of it like a sports car. Olive oil is the engine, honey is the turbo boost, and together they take your circulation to a whole new level. Before we go further, here's a quick insider tip. There's a proven, high-quality honey olive oil blend that's designed specifically for men over 40. I've included a link in the description. This isn't a gimmick. It's just a simple, natural way to start boosting blood flow today, even if your arteries are aging. Now let's zoom out. Blood flow isn't just about what you eat, it's about your lifestyle. Here's what really helps circulation. Exercise regularly, even brisk walking 30 minutes a day. Eat antioxidant-rich foods, berries, leafy greens, nuts. Avoid smoking and excess alcohol. They constrict arteries. Manage stress. Cortisol slows blood flow, and regular checkups. Early detection of heart or artery issues is key. When you combine these habits with the olive oil plus honey hack, you're giving your body a huge advantage. Now let's be clear, this isn't a magic bullet. Olive oil plus honey is powerful, yes, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. You still need healthy lifestyle choices, regular medical checkups, and consistent habits over weeks and months. Think of this combo as a high-octane fuel for your circulatory system. It works best when the engine is healthy. So here's the takeaway. Olive oil alone is good, but not enough. Honey plus olive oil equals blood flow boost, better stamina, more energy. This is natural, safe, and backed by science. If you start incorporating this today, you could notice more energy, improved circulation, and even enhanced sexual performance in just weeks. Imagine your body operating like it did 10, even 15 years ago, strong, vital, and full of life. Now think about what's happening inside your arteries every single day. Tiny clogs, inflammation, and oxidative stress are silently draining your energy and stamina. And the shocking part? Most men think that just exercise and a healthy diet are enough. But a small dietary tweak, like combining olive oil with honey, can dramatically improve blood flow. Every spoonful has its magic. Olive oil smooths your arteries, while honey boosts nitric oxide levels, which naturally widens your blood vessels. Imagine it like giving your circulation a mini highway expansion, so oxygen and nutrients can reach every cell efficiently, and this isn't just theory. Research shows that men who combine foods that boost circulation naturally experience higher energy, improved stamina, and better sexual performance, while also lowering heart health risks. Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the step-by-step way you can implement this natural blood flow hack in your daily life. Once you see how simple it is, you'll wonder why no one told you this before. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more science-backed men's health hacks, and comment below, "I'm ready for my blood flow boost." Also, let me know what men's health myths you want busted next. In our next video, we'll uncover another shocking truth that could change the way you age. You won't want to miss it. Remember, your body is capable of more than you think. Sometimes all it takes is a little honey and olive oil to unlock it.